2014 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, heated seats, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, keyless ignition, four-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, electronic stability control, compass, heated steering wheel, power windows, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.